What's good, YouTube? It's your girl back with another banger. This is for my car heads out there, my amazing people. Oh wait, I am here at home right now because I'm gonna be doing a bumper swap. As you can tell from the title, I'm taking off my stock bumper and I'm putting on a GT350 bumper. All my friends kind of got in my head and they was like, the 350 bumper is better, but now I'm loving the 500 bumper. So now I think I'm having second thoughts. But anyways, I put it in a paint shop. I just got it back. I have it in my garage, and now we're gonna be swapping it here at home. I'm gonna do everything on camera for you guys. And I actually just came back from Harbor Freight because I got myself a low profile jack. So we're just gonna get straight into this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get it. All right, y'all. So this is Shorty. She has the back open, but this is her with her bumper. Just gonna get some Saturdays. This is the bumper. I got it from American Muscle. It's the MP Concepts GT350 bumper. Got it painted the other day. She's in her bubble wrap. She looks beautiful. They did actually a really nice job. I haven't looked at it completely, and it has like some fingerprints or whatever, but I'm gonna clean her really gently later. So I'm gonna put together the bumper. I'm going to bring my car up here. We're gonna hoist her up, get her on some jack stand. I'm gonna take off her wheels, and we're just gonna get through the whole thing, okay? We're just gonna get through the whole thing, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm in my garage, and I'm sorry it's a hot mess right now, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? When you got a lot of things to do, a lot of things are in the garage. All right, I have the famous Papa Sucker here with me. He decided to come help me, which I'm very grateful for, because I feel like this will take me a lot longer. With my nails, okay? With my nails. All right, so I took out these push pins in the actual wheel well right here. Then we're gonna have to remove this splash shield. I'm trying my hardest not to have to take my tire off, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to take it off to get some bolts back there. All right, I lied. I tried to take the easy way out, and I have to pop off my tire. I knew I had to do it. But I was like, you know, my hands are skinny enough, I can get back there. Gotta pop off the tire.
There's a couple of screws that are mounted on a bracket that hold both the fender and the bumper. They're sandwiched between two metal things. Anyways, you have two 10mm bolts. So I'm just taking the screws off, loosening them, so you can actually just take them off. See how they're held? That's what's holding this right here. If you just try to rip this thing off, you're gonna literally just rip the plastic tab right off. And then this factory bumper will have no further use for you, as that is usually, not always, but usually too thin to plastic weld.
I took off the 7 mils from the factory bumper. I put them over there, and now I'm taking the rest out from underneath the bottom. Dad's working on
safety or whatever. Okay.
Dad's working on putting the stuff I take off from here and putting it on here. All right, y'all. So as you can see, it's starting to rain. It's drizzling. Dad had to go back inside, so the rest of it is up to me. I'm finishing taking out all the 7 mils that I didn't finish out of the stock one, and then I'm finishing putting together the 350 bumper. Actually, I need your help on to pull this out. My finger. Mom can't have to help me because I can't take these out by myself because my nails are too long. You know what's really messed up? the fact that most bumpers come pre-assembled and you just gotta take yours off and put the new one on. But I gotta literally assemble piece by piece my bumper, and this is ridiculous. My fingers hurting. I'm dying. I'm old. I'm just kidding. I pried off the weather strip thingy for my factory bumper, and I'm about to put it on the new one. Push it to the... There ain't no hole in here. It ain't finna make no hole. Win it, cause we're in it to win it, in it to win it. Oh yeah. Da, 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 da. Alright, y'all, if I'm being honest, this chin lip spoiler, whatever, this chin lip is the most annoying thing ever, actually. Alright, so basically I'm trying to line it up, putting these screws in. I have to put them all the way around. I did this side already. This side looks good. It's not like completely flush, which bothers me, but what can you expect from an aftermarket bumper? Oh, I should have paid to get this done, y'all. And Dad is splicing the wires for my turn signals and fog lights.
Yeah, these little splicer connectors didn't actually work. They didn't cut through the actual wire itself. So yeah. I never recommend cutting the actual factory harness, but in this particular case, I had no choice because the connectors that came with it just were not doing the job.
They were sucky.
So I did some trial and error trying to make sure, because also the diagrams in the instructions didn't match.
Yeah.
The actual wires themselves.
This is some booty stuff.
So I had to figure it out. It's old-fashioned. Just does this work? Does that not work?
Plug and play.
Yep.
www.com. Now.
Somewhere in this house, I do have a heat gun. Can't seem to find it, so using a lighter. But there we go. We're heating up the shrink wrap, heating up the solder as well, making a good strong connection.
I'm heating up.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, YouTube, so time skip. Obviously, I still look like a hot mess. I still have been working really hard. I actually finished her completely this morning, and I just want to talk to you guys about my bumper, how much it cost, what my review is on it, and so on and so forth. The brand itself is called MP Concepts, and I can honestly say the process was extremely difficult. I physically had to put the bumper piece by piece together, and that was really frustrating because usually bumpers come, you know, ready and you just unscrew everything and then you screw it back on. But it took me a while. It took me like a day and a half, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, on and off, like I would do a few hours here, a few hours there, but I came into a lot of roadblocks. I had to obviously splice that I didn't know how to do. I needed Dad. Like literally, guys, if I did not have my dad here with me, I could not have gotten this done myself. I would have given up. I would have called a mechanic down to my house and be like, here, I'm gonna pay you to do it right here, right now, like type stuff. But I'm so grateful for him, and it's done. It's on. It looks good. There are some issues I ran into with actually putting on the bumper itself. Like some pieces didn't fit. It said it would fit. They didn't fit. Dad and I put on zip ties on the car, and just in places where it didn't fit right. And I definitely think it's the maker's fault for making kind of a semi-crappy product. Does it look good in the end? Yeah. I paid like $800, $900. I paid a lot of money for this thing, and honestly, I would have paid an extra $200 for somebody else to deal with it instead of me. But I did learn a lot in this process, and you guys will see a bunch, and I hope you guys learned a lot too. Or learn that you do not buy an MP Concept bumper, because that was ridiculous. Or at least don't buy it and then put it on yourself, like make somebody else deal with it. But anyways, guys, so I'm officially in her. I'm going to take her on a drive and show you guys what she looks like. The final review.